So this is a master padlock, a Pro Series. It has a protected shackle against grinding with an angle grinder, and the best thing about it is that you can make it work with your home key. If you don't want to carry different keys, you can use rekey to your home key and use it on your shed and open your shed with your home key. It's easy. We rekey the lock, then we put it in like that. Okay. So this is locked, unlocked. Okay, very easy. You can lock your padlock with your home key. Great solution to save to have less keys on the keychain. That's it.